Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Mojang account. This account can use to play Minecraft. Minecraft is a game about placing blocks and having adventures. To play Minecraft, you need a Mojang account. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is to type create Mojang account. Once you're here, you need to click the first link. Once you're here, just click the create account. You will be redirected here in minecraft.net. Next thing you want to do is to click this sign up for free. Right here, you need to click this get a new email address. You can type anything right here. You can type your name or username, whatever you want. Once you're done, just click the next. And right here, you need to type your password. Any password you like. The next one is you need to type your birth date. Make sure you are 13 years old above. Right here, it said solve the puzzle. You can click the next. Once you're done solving the puzzle, you are now done making an account. Last thing here is you need to place your gamer tag or your username. I will place any name right here. Once you're done with your gamer tag, just click the let's go button. And we're done. That's how you make Mojang account. It is very simple, right? I hope the video was really helpful. And if did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this video. See you soon on the next video.